Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on making your own tear ruler. This is a ruler that I made about a year ago. It's got a chunky side and then it's got sort of a smooth side depending on what look you want with your paper. Now I like the clear rulers like this one. I've already done one side. I'm going to do the other side right now. I get these at the thrift store for 25 cents. You'll need some sort of wooden spatula or something to help get the little pieces out once you've cut them. And a pair of crappy scissors. And I have them listed as crappy because I cut everything besides paper with them. So what you want to do is take your scissors and figure out what measurements you want, and I'm just going to do every other centimeter on this side and just cut yourself a mark going in just a little bit. Now I'm only going to do a small section of this ruler for this tutorial, and then come back the other way and cut you the triangle the other way. You can make them various sizes. I find that if they're somewhat evenly spaced, even if they're different sizes, it gives your paper a better look. And then just pop out the little pieces. And some of them might be easier to pop out than others. Okay, then come in between the marks and just make a few like smaller cuts. And then come back the other way and do the same thing. I have my light set up here and the ruler's hitting the end of it. Okay, so and what I do then is I just take this and I rough it up a little bit to knock the little pieces out. Okay, so I cut this side in trying to make this video 3 times, and I keep messing up, saying the wrong thing or whatever. So I am going to use the one that I've just made as a demonstration. So this is 60-pound cardstock. And there you go. Now, here's the one that I use for my pictures that I will be doing another tutorial on in a day or so. So this one's a little bigger, but see how it roughs that up really nice. And then this is what I call the smoother side, because the paper is not as roughed. But that is how you make your own tear ruler. An old pair of scissors, some cheap plastic rulers, and something to knock all the pieces out with. And you save yourself 30 bucks. Thanks for watching.